today we are starting with practice set 1.1, sum number 1. The question given in the exercise is, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of two triangles. So remember that the diagram is not given in the textbook. I've only said that the base of a triangle is 9. So we'll take this triangle, for example, we'll name it as ABC and we'll take the base as 9 and the height is 5. So height we have put at 5. Base of another triangle is 10. So we'll name it as PQR. Base is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So we are going to find the ratio of the areas of triangle 1 and triangle 2. So here the triangle 1 is ABC. So we will take A1 upon A2. We are going to find the area of triangle 1 with the area of triangle 2. So A1 equal to A upon A2. Now what is the formula? Formula the first, B into H. B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now what is B1 here? B1 of ABC. B1 is BC and B1 is 9. H1 is, suppose we'll write here as D. H1 is AD and height is 5. B2 is QR and measurement is 10 and H2 is, let's say we'll write it as S. It is PS and H2 is, height is given on the second triangle is 6. So we're using the formula B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. B1 is 9, H1 is 5, right? We have written here, upon B2 is 10 into H2 is 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So the answer will be 3 into 1 is 3 upon 2 into 2 is 4. So the ratio of first triangle to the second triangle, find the ratio, is equal to 3 upon 4. So let's understand neatly. So here the question is here, let the base of the first triangle B1 be equal to 9. Height of the first triangle H1 is 5. Base of the second triangle B2 is 10. Height of the second triangle H2 is 6. Let the area of the first triangle be A1 and the area of the second triangle be A2. Now the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and the corresponding heights. Property number 1. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and the corresponding sides, which is nothing but B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So we have B1 as 9, H1 as 5, B2 as 10, H2 as 6. So A1 upon A2 is equal to, that is B1 is 9, H1 is 5, into B2 is 10, into H2 is 6. So here we cancel and we get 3 upon 4. So A1 upon A2 is 3 upon 4. So find the ratio of the areas, that was the question. So the ratio of the areas of these triangle is 3 is to 4. Upon 3 upon 4, so we will write it as 3 is to 4. And let's take the second triangle. In the second triangle, BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so we have to find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So what is the base here? Now, okay, let's take the first triangle. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, base is AB, height is this triangle. We are taking the top triangle. Height is BC, which is given as 4, and next triangle we have to take second triangle, that is triangle ADB. Base is again AB, and height is this one, that is AD, which is given as 8, AD, which is equal to 8. Now since the base are equal, we will take the formula A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. What is H1 here? H1 will be the height of the first triangle ABC, which is 4. BC upon, what is the height here? AD. How much is BC? BC is 4 and AD is 8. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Therefore A1 upon A2 will be 1 upon 2. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. So let's take the clear, neat drawing and the writings. In triangle ABC, now what is the question? BC is perpendicular to AB. That means it is 90 degree and that is the height. Remember, that's the height. Now area of first triangle, this triangle will be A1, base is AB, height is BC or H1, and the measurement is 4. Now this triangle, the second triangle, which is below 1, that is ADB. Area is A2, base is AB again. You can see here the base is common for both the triangles. Okay, so that is why we are having AB. Height is AD, which is H2, and measurement is 8. ABC, triangle ABC and triangle ABD has common base AB. So areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, so you have tried the property why you are using this formula. Triangles with equal base are proportional to their corresponding heights, and the formula is A1 upon A2, which is equal to H1 upon H2, which is H1 is 4 here, 8 it's here. Therefore when you cancel, you get 1 upon 2. The final answer, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Children, I hope you have understood sum number 1 and 2 of practice set 1.1. To understand the next sum, which is sum number 3, watch the next video. So thank you dear children, and God bless you.